Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Audi Q7, 2007 to 2015? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Main compartment fuse box. The main fuses in the 2007 to 2015 Audi Q7 protect high current systems such as the starter motor, alternator, power steering, and electric coolant fans. They ensure safe power distribution to major electrical and engine components. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 2007 to 2015 Audi Q7, the passenger compartment fuse box number 1, left side, controls interior electronics like the instrument cluster, lighting, climate control, and infotainment system. It ensures proper power supply to comfort, convenience, and dashboard functions. Passenger compartment fuse box, right side. In the 2007 to 2015 Audi Q7, the passenger compartment fuse box number 2, right side, manages power for features such as seat adjustment, heated seats, interior sensors, and airbag modules. It supports comfort and safety systems within the cabin. In the 2007 to 2015 Audi Q7, the relay and fuse carrier located in the center dash panel houses relays and fuses for essential systems like the ignition, fuel pump, and HVAC blower. It ensures coordinated power control and switching for key operational functions. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2007 to 2015 Audi Q7 with a petrol engine, the engine compartment fuse box controls critical systems such as the ECU, ignition coils, fuel injectors, radiator fan, and ABS/ESP modules. It ensures reliable power distribution to essential engine management and safety functions. In the 2007 to 2015 Audi Q7 with a diesel engine, the engine compartment fuse box supports key systems like the glow plug control unit, fuel pump, ECU, cooling fan, and ABS/ESP modules. It ensures stable power delivery to essential diesel engine operations and safety systems. In the 2007 to 2015 Audi Q7, the luggage compartment fuse box manages power for systems such as the rear lights, trailer hitch module, rear climate control, parking sensors, and power tailgate. It ensures proper electrical distribution to rear-end comfort, convenience, and safety features.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.